Yes. So today we will be dealing with DAX functions, and actually I will be taking the already made this data modeling PBIX file over here, so that easily we can do things. Okay, we'll be taking the already existing file in that particular PBIX file, and we will be moving forward. Okay, so this is our, as you can see, our dimension table and fact table are over here, right? All of you. So I'm taking this customer table. Okay, this is our data view, and there I'm taking this customer table, and here are some columns corresponding to it. So first of all, let us go through if condition. Okay, we can put some conditions. We can use if statement in order to make a new column. Okay, so I am going to make a new column, right? So when I will click over here, I can create a new column. Here you can see this is the column name. I can change the column name by editing over here, and I can give the value of it with the help of if condition. Whatever function or things are there in DAX that we can use. I'm giving you an example of if condition, that how we will use if condition. So actually, if I need people who are single and who are actually having education level as bachelor's, for example, the people who are single, that means marital status is single and education level is bachelor's. Okay, before making this, I will show you the options within it. See, if I am clicking the drop down corresponding to the marital status, there you can see, wait, yeah. So here you can see S and M will be there. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, M means married, S means single. Okay, similarly, in case of education level, different education levels are there. Like I will deselect this yes, and you can see bachelor's, graduate degree, high school, partial high school. These many people are there. Okay, so I'm just actually going to find a particular column which will show me yes and no corresponding to the condition that a person is having marital status as single and the person is having education level as bachelor's. Okay, so I'm going to make the column. Actually, I have not written anything in that column. That's where that column disappeared. So right now I'll be again taking a column. Okay, for that, let us go to this home. Okay, and wait. There is an option called new column over here. So I'm choosing this particular thing. My voice is clear to all of you? Everyone? Voice is clear or not? Any disturbance?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So actually we are looking for single people who are having bachelor, education level as bachelor's, right? So yeah, single, then BACHLOR, right? And we can give any name to it. It's not necessary that this name only you should give. You can give any name. Okay, I'm taking this name so that I can easily identify what it really means. Okay, now we have to take the if condition. Okay, IF. So it is mentioned over here, IF. You can choose it as it is. Then within the bracket, you have to put the two conditions that you actually want. You can put many conditions also. Right now, I'm taking only two conditions. You can put multiple conditions. Okay. So first of all, what is the column name? Marital status, right? Right. So I'm writing MAR. Then this thing will come. This is the table name and this is the column name. We have to simply select it. Okay. No need to write the entire stuff. When you will write a few letters of it, automatically it will come and you have to choose it. Okay. Now is equal to, what is the condition? Marital status is equal to single, right? So within double quotes, you have to write capital S. Okay, this is one condition. Now, we are checking two conditions, that too with a condition that they both should exist, right? So for that, and is the connecting feature over there. We are using and means double ampersand. Okay, double ampersand is the symbol. Ampersand, you know, this This is and also. Okay. So this is the symbol that is used for and condition. And within the next bracket, we will put the new next condition. That is the education level. When you will write edu, na, then itself that particular thing will appear. Like D customer is the table name, education level is the column name. Okay, that will appear. No need to write everything. Is equal to, then within double quotes, you have to write what? Bachelor's. Always take care of the case. Okay. Here case is a issue. You should not write small b in a capital of big. I mean, small b in place of capital B is not acceptable. Okay. Bachelor spelling is correct, I hope. Okay. Then you have to put, if the two conditions are satisfied, then what should come in the output of the column is yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. And if it is not satisfied, then no should come. So whatever two things are there, when it is satisfied, then yes. And if it is not satisfied, then no. That you should mention over here and then close the bracket. Okay. Now there is no error, no red color is shown. If there is some error, there a red color will be shown. Okay. No error is there. Now I will press enter. I can press enter or I can mark this tick mark. Okay. Then also it will work. Right. Now things will be updated over here. Okay, here you can see that regarding this particular row, marital status is single and education level is bachelor's. That's why yes is coming. Okay. And if you are going downwards, here you can see some no is there. Because the person's education level is bachelor's, but he or she is married actually. So one condition is not satisfied. That's why we are getting no over here. Okay. This is the new column that we have made right now. Isn't it? And let us move forward. And here the education level is high school and the person is single. Although the person is single, this condition is satisfied, but this particular condition is not satisfied. That's why no is coming. Okay, when the both conditions are satisfied, then only yes will come. Right, all of you? And in this case, you can see marital status is married and education level is partial high school. Both conditions are not satisfied. That's why no is coming. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts regarding it? Any doubts, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So if we want or condition in place of and, then in place of this double ampersand. See here in place of double ampersand, you should put double pipe. Okay. When you will put double pipe, that means or. That means at least one condition is satisfied, then yes should come. Okay. Then you have to press enter or you have to mark this tick. Okay. Then accordingly changes will appear. Okay, here you can see marital status is single and the bachelor education level is bachelor. Both conditions are satisfied. That's why yes is coming. Okay. Now other things we will check out once. Education level is partial college. Okay, but the person is single. So at least one condition is satisfied. And our connecting factor was or, right? Double pipe. That's why at least one condition is satisfied. That's why yes is coming. Is it clear, all of you? What is the difference between and or? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, we can check out other conditions also. Like in this case, the same thing. Person is single. One condition is satisfied and that person is actually completed high school. So yes is coming. Okay. And yeah, here person is bachelor's. So one condition is satisfied. Okay. But this condition is not satisfied. That means then also yes will come now, because the thing is that at least one condition is satisfied. But where no is coming, that means both conditions are not satisfied. that actually education level is graduate degree and the person is married. Both conditions are not satisfied. That's why no is come. So this is the difference between, and or condition. Okay, you can put multiple condition also within the bracket. Okay, like you can put one more condition over here, like or any other condition also you can mention. Like I can write like gender. Gender is female, for example. Okay, gender. Gender equal to capital F. Okay, so multiple condition also can be applied over there. Okay, let's mark this tick mark. Okay, now changes will get reflected. Okay, so since condition is or, na, that's why it is showing us yes all the way. Okay, like this we can put multiple condition. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, so that's it. That is regarding DAX if condition. Now we will go for some other things like age of a particular customer is very important for us, right? Like what is it is very important factor because depending upon the age of the customer, we have to actually display the products in sales. If it is a company, okay, and majority of its customers are very old in age, so according to their taste and according to their need, company will actually manufacture the product or it will actually sell the product, right? Depending upon the customer's age, we should sell the product. If the people are quite old in age, then we will not sell them toys and all, right? Because it is not of their use. They may purchase it for their grandchildren and all, but generally they won't purchase those things. Is it clear, all of you? So
Yes, ma'am.
depending upon the, age of the customer, actually company can understand that what is their need and things. So it is very important in this particular file, their date of birth is given, but their age is not given. And we can extract the age of the customer with the help of this date of birth. So for that, what is required? We need in order to roughly predict it, we need only the year of their birth, right? What is the year of their birth? Like 1951, 1944, like that. So in order to extract the year, we can use year function. So I will tell you a new column we will take, okay? And here I am writing birth year of the customer, okay? Is equal to, then we should write year function, YEAR, okay? Year function. Within the year function, we have to mention the column in which date is there, okay? So I'm writing birth, birth date. This is that particular column. This is the name of the table and this is the column name, okay? I will choose it. And I will simply close the bracket and let us press enter. Okay, so it is showing us their birth year. Okay, their birth year is there. Now we need the current year so that we can get their age. On subtracting the birth year from the current year, we can exactly predict, roughly we can predict their age, right? So I am taking a new column. Okay, and let us find out current date. Current date is important. So from the current date, we will extract the current year. Okay, so we have to write like, I'm simply mentioning it as CURRENT, current. Okay, and is equal to, today is the function. Today we have to use and press enter. Okay, then you can see it is shown like this. Okay, you can change the format of it also. Okay, just this is the thing, right? Okay, later you can change the format, but it is not required. Okay, so by going to that transform option, you can change its format too. So right now what I am doing is I am trying to extract the year from it. So for that, I have to mention year function over here. As we did in the case of this birth year, same way we have to put the year function in front of today so that we can extract the year from it. Okay. Right. Now what will come in place of the date? 2022 will come because that is our current year. Okay. So now I am going to make a new column where we can subtract these two entities and predict the age of the customer. Okay. Share the DAX function. First we used if. Okay. First DAX function used was if. I'm mentioning it in the chat. Okay. Those Aditya, you asked the question. First DAX function was if only. Okay. And the next DAX function that I mentioned is year. Okay. And the DAX function that I told you right now is today. Okay. You can go to that, Microsoft. I will show that thing to you. Okay. Microsoft Power BI DAX function. Power BI DAX. There is a page corresponding to it. Data analysis expression. That is the full form of it. Okay. Here you can find different functions. You can try out them one by one. It is very huge in number. 1200 functions are there. So you can try out them. I will mention this link in your chat box. Okay. Right. So yes. So now we are supposed to subtract this 2 years in order to find age of our customer. So we will take the new column. Okay. And then I will mention the column name as age. And here I will mention, here I will simply subtract this two column, that is current minus D customer current minus birth year, right? Yes. Now it is showing us the year of the customer, age of the customer. Is it clear, everyone? How to find the age of a person?
Got it, ma'am.
Got it, right? Okay. So similarly, we can extract month also from a particular date. Okay. So that will help you in the project as well as the task too. Okay. I will show you how to extract the month. Okay. So we can write like what month they born, or today's, current month also we can extract. I will simply tell you current month. Okay. Current month. All right. Is equal to, then we can write month function MONT, which month, and within that I am writing today. Today will give us current date, right? You can put any date within it. Okay. Similarly, you can put any date. So it is 12, right? December, right? Right now we are in, the time is December month is there, right? So 12. And if I am taking their birth, the birth column itself, birth date, okay? Here I am changing the name also. Okay. In this particular column, all the dates are different, right? So you can put the column also, or you can put the function, anything you can use. Okay, now it is changed. 4, 9, 11, whatever their birth year was there, corresponding to that things are coming like 4, 9, 11, 11, 9, 12. First entity is month, second entity is date, and third entity is year. So whatever is first over there, that is coming here. Clear, everyone? Okay, and we can put the day also. So here you can see 1, 11, 5, 9. They were the days, right? So here what is coming? 1, 11, 5, 9. Those same things. And if you want to find the week number, okay, week, in which week they have born. So in order to check that, you have to write week num function, week num, okay, week num.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, like, and this week column,
your
let's
sound.
suppose,
Wait, I will switch off the fan. Wait a second.
sure.
Yes, what was your doubt? What was your doubt?
I was asking that in the column of weeks, can you just scroll it?
Yeah. Column of
Can
week.
you just scroll?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
right.
is coming like, I mean, within the whole year, right? That thing is coming.
No, I was asking that let's suppose we just have to take the let's suppose we have to take the week of 37. Like if the, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
Let's suppose this is let me just wait. Sorry. Let's suppose this is this 37. Like how we can count the same numbers. Like this week is 37, same as this is 37. What is the function to count all these? Like for the
Count, you
same
can
week,
use
how?
directly use that count thing, na? Like I have already told you what, in order to do that, I mean, first task. In the first class, I have mentioned how count can be taken. Just put it in X and Y axis, you will get the count of it.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. And you can find the weekday also. There is one more option, weekday. Okay.
Okay.
You can find the weekday too. So it will show you in numerical form, like which weekday it was. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So these
Actually, I
are
was
the
little bit confused in this. That's why.
okay, no issues. So these are some things that will help you. Now I'm going to tell you a new thing that if you want to extract a few letters from the first of the a particular word, for example, if we are taking a notepad, wait, I will tell you. Like in case of January, we all know that January can be also written as Jan, right? And February can be also written as Feb, right? March can be also written as Mar. It is universally understood by everyone, isn't it? The same way, for some particular words, we can shorten it, isn't it? In this particular table, such kind of thing is not there, but I will take this occupation to make you understand that how you can shorten a particular word. Okay, so for that we will be using left function because we are extracting some words, some letters from the left of this word. Okay, so for that, let us take the new column. And here we will be writing like OCC only instead of occupation. If I want to only the first four letters, I will take the left function. And in that left function, I have to mention the column name, that is occupation itself. D customer occupation, comma, how many letter I want to extract. Suppose I want to extract only 4 letters from the left. So I have to mention the number of letter as 4. Okay, then when I will click mark enter, then it will come like PROF like that. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the same thing can be used for other things. I mean, for varying numbers also. Like in case of this email address, if the first part of that email address is actually the username of a person, and if we want to extract
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
username, yes.
Ma'am, can you apply in the column of date of birth? Sorry, birth date.
Birth date. What? This one?
Apply this this left or right something. one function.
That you can
on
apply, no issues with it.
Ma'am, can you apply?
You can apply
we
it
can get
anywhere. In case of this email address also, I will tell you how to apply it, how to extract this one in 2 ways. Okay, here also you can apply it. Or you can use split function also in order to split them. You can split it by this slash symbol. Okay, many ways are there to do the same thing. Clear, everyone? Is it okay, all of you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will tell you rest of the things. Like in case of this email address, if I want to extract only this portion, not this at adventure@.com. So in that case, actually, these things are actually varying length, right? They are not of same length. So if we want to, I mean, if we are able to find the position of this at, then it will be easy for us to extract the letters from here. I will tell you how. Okay. So I am taking this new column. Okay. Now what I want is I want to extract the username from the email ID. Okay. User name. Okay. Is equal to, this is the name of that particular column. Now what I have to use is the same left function, but with a little change. Okay, so here I'm writing email address. Email address is the name of that column, right? In which that email address was there corresponding to different customers. But their username were having varying length. One was having some 7 letters, other was having some 9 letters, like that. It depends upon customer by customer, it varies. So we need to search actually the at position of the at. And with the help of that, we will be able to understand that at which position we should stop. Okay, we should take how many letters. It depends upon that particular symbol at. So we have to mention what we are going to search. We are going to search actually the symbol at, that we have to mention in the search. And then we have to mention from which particular column. Okay, so from which particular column. In that case, we have to mention the column name. That is the same thing, right? Email address. So write email address. Okay, then close it. Okay, then close it completely with one more bracket. And when you will press enter, okay, here you can see it is also coming because we have mentioned search for it. So this is actually giving us an integer output. It is showing the position of it in different cells. Okay, but we don't need this it. So we have to subtract it. I mean, we have to subtract 1 from it. Then we will be able to get the position of the letters that is just before it. Is it clear to all of you? Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, we can
Got
use
it,
split
ma'am, got it.
function also for it. We can use split function. So for that, let us go to this transform tab. Okay, and there you can see the split function. Okay, so here actually we want to split it. With the help of split also we can extract this username. So I'm going to make a new column by add column. Okay, right now we are in Power Query editor. And here, where it is?
Extract.
Yeah, okay. Or we can simply go to transform also, that is also okay. Okay, there is an option called split column. You can simply, if you don't want that particular column, you can simply go to it also. Okay, then in split, you can use this by delimiter. Okay. And automatically it is coming. It is the symbol, right? It is coming in custom. So you can click on OK. So it will get splitted like this. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, everyone? Now, if you want to merge it together, in that case, you have to select these 2 particular columns. Okay. And there is an option merge, where it is, yeah, merge columns. Okay, merge column, they are asking what is the separator. So you can take the custom option and there you can mention it. Okay, if you want to again merge it into the previous form, then you can do like that. Okay, and here I will be writing email address. Okay, then click on OK. Then that two things will be combined right now. Is it clear, everyone? How to split and how to merge things? Clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you can split and merge things. Okay. This is another way of doing it. You can use any way that you like. Okay. Now, this is regarding our DAX function. One more DAX function is there that I want to tell you. We are having only 6 minutes left. So let us take this product category. Okay. Actually, I told you that bikes means 1, 2 means component, 3 means clothing, and 4 means accessories. In the previous class, we have went through this particular thing. It is actually categories like in your shop actually. In your shop, you can see like, yeah. In this is another e-commerce website that particular, I mean, this particular data is regarding another company. Okay, it's a two-wheeler company. And in case of your shop, actually, you can see toys and games, mobiles, laptop. These are some categories. And the drop down that is coming below it, it is subcategory. In the same way, this company is also having these many categories. Okay. And what are the subcategories is also mentioned in the this particular table. Okay. Like within 111 means bikes. Okay. Here we have seen what is the product key. Bikes means 1, components means 2, clothing means 3, accessories means 4. So in the subcategory, you can see the same key is given over here. 1 means bikes. So what are the subcategories in bikes means? Mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes, like that. And in components, these many things are coming. Okay. And 3 means clothing. And in within 3, these many things are coming. Okay. And 4 means accessories. So rest of the things are there in 4. So right now, if we want a new column, so that we can mention the category also within the same table. So in that case, we have to use the split switch function. Okay. So I'm taking the new column. Okay, here I am mentioning column name. First of all, I will mention that is category. Okay, category is equal to, now I will write switch. Okay, now within the switch function, I have to mention a few things. Like first of all, I have to mention which column, from which column we are actually switching things. Okay, actually this is the deciding factor. This column is the deciding factor that from which category things are there, right? It is showing the category keys. So I will be writing category key, yeah, product category key. Okay, this is the column, and in this column, 1 means what? 1 means what, all of you? Any idea?
Bike.
Bikes. And comma 2 means what? Components, right? And then comma 3 means, what is 3 and what is 4, all of you? Have you noticed it? What is 3 and what is 4? Any idea? Clothings. Okay. And 4 means accessories. Right. So this is the thing. This is the column name. And in this column, wherever 1 is coming, corresponding to that particular record, bikes should come. Wherever 2 is coming, their component should come. Wherever 3 is coming, their clothing should come. Wherever 4 is there, their accessories should come. Is it clear, all of you? What I actually wanted to convey? Switch function is used for it. I mean, 1 is switched to bikes, 2 is switched to components, 3 is switched to clothing, 4 is switched to accessories. So let us press enter. Okay. So it is showing us bikes, components like that. So our table is complete. Now there is no confusion, right? Earlier only key was there, so there was a bit confusion. Now everything is clear. I hope it is clear to all of you. Everything is clear now. DAX functions, whatever I taught you right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can go through this particular, website. Okay, I will again paste it in the chat box. You please go through it and explore different functions. Like in case of date and time, lot of things are there. Calendar, date difference is there. When two different date columns are there, you can find the date difference also. Date value, day, month, minute. Lot of things are there. You please explore them one by one. Okay. And lot of things are there, like filter functions are there, logical functions are there. Okay, many things are there. You just go through it and explore it. Right? So I'm pasting this particular thing over here. Now our class is going to end. Only 1 minute is left. If you're having any doubt, you can ask it right now. Everything is clear, all of you?
Ma'am, when will this video uploaded?
Today itself I will upload. Yesterday's video you already got now. I think I have not
Yes, ma'am.
mentioned the link in the group, but it is already uploaded. Web scraping and data modeling is already uploaded. I will mention that link too in your group. Okay, clear? Are you okay? This is our last class. Okay, now onwards only Friday, Saturday class will be there. Okay, everyone, basic class are over by this class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Okay, bye. At 4 o'clock, there will be some extra classes, so you can join that. Okay. Bye.